In this presentation, we'll go over some key talking points when demonstrating FortiAnalyzer reporting and visualizing capability for the Secure SD-WAN deployment. We will be using FortiDemo environment with two FortiGates, Branch 1 and Branch 2, participating in SD-WAN. Here on the core FortiGate we see the FortiAnalyzer is part of Fabric and receiving logs from Fabric devices. Now, let's take a quick look at Branch 1 FortiGate. SD-WAN has configured 5 interfaces as its members. So, FortiGate groups all designated physical member interfaces into a single virtual interface, which is the SD-WAN interface. Also, SD-WAN rules and performance SLA have been configured here as parts of SD-WAN configuration. Now, on our FortiAnalyzer, we can see logs received from these FortiGates on our FortiAnalyzer under Log View, FortiGate, Event Log. Let's have a quick review on Dashboard. Under FortiView, Monitors, there is SD-WAN Monitoring Dashboard as a new feature of the FortiAnalyzer 6.4, which enables customers to instantly see the benefit of applying SD-WAN across multiple WAN interfaces. FortiOS event and traffic logs contain the SD-WAN link monitoring info such as bandwidth, traffic volume, session, latency, jitter and packet loss for individual WAN links. Knowing this, we could have following default widgets for SOC view. Widget 1, SD-WAN Rule Utilization, is an enhanced widget including two Sankey charts. 1. SD-WAN Rules Utilization by Application. 2. SD-WAN Rules Utilization by Interface. Widget 2, SD-WAN Performance Status. This widget provides status of individual WAN links and the SD-WAN enhancements after SD-WAN implementation. Mouse over a bar will show date, time and link status in tooltip. Widget 3, 4 and 5 show the link quality monitoring metrics, jitter, latency and packet loss information over selected time period. Jitter shows the number of seconds for disruption in the data flow across the network for each WAN links over time. Latency displays the number of seconds for a packet of data to travel across the network for each WAN links over time. Packet loss shows the percentage of network data that failed to reach its intended destination for each WAN links over time. Widget 6, SD-WAN Utilization by Application, displays the bandwidth utilization by application over each member of SD-WAN. Mouse over bar chart will show application name and utilization on each link in tooltip. Widget 7, Bandwidth Utilization by SD-WAN Rules. This donut chart shows the distribution of each configured SD-WAN rule from bandwidth in selected time period. Mouse over donut chart can show rule name and utilization percentage in tooltip. Widget 8, SD-WAN Link Utilization, shows donut chart of utilization for each WAN link in selected time period. Total utilization for all links is shown in the center of donut. Widget 9, SD-WAN Events. This chart can highlight existing alarms on path, connection or individual WAN links. Total number of all events is shown in the center of donut chart. Now, let's review how SD-WAN is reflected in report. In the FortiAnalyzer 6.4, there is an enhanced report called the Secure SD-WAN report, which uses the FortiOS event logs and traffic logs to generate charts and tables. In this report, we have introduced Sankey charts to clearly visualize the flow of application traffic through SD-WAN rules and interfaces. You can find the report by navigating through the templates or all reports list under the report module. You can create and generate the report from the Secure SD-WAN template, or you can go to Layout Editor to customize the report and run it for the selected settings, such as the time period and device. The generated report can be accessed in different formats. Let's have a closer look to the report. The Secure SD-WAN report provides network and security insight by presenting information in two major categories. 1. SD-WAN Performance Monitor, that includes detailed statistics on the link's availability, SD-WAN link quality metrics, and performance SLA. 2. SD-WAN Utilization, that covers detailed charts and graphs on the traffic utilization by SD-WAN rules, links, applications and users. In the introduction section, on the first page of the report, there are highlights listed for the whole SD-WAN deployment, such as SD-WAN availability, bandwidth, and a breakdown of the applications ranked by traffic volume through interfaces. On the following pages, there are more detailed information for each device. Under SD-WAN Performance section, SD-WAN Availability Chart provides detailed statistics on the individual WAN links and the SD-WAN interface. Next three line charts show the link quality metrics, jitter, latency, and packet loss information for the SD-WAN interface over time. Link quality status summary charts provide detailed statistics on the link quality metrics of SD-WAN interfaces, which significantly helps with link selection for SD-WAN and investigation of any issues with packet loss, latency, and jitter. If you scroll down through the report, you will see very useful charts about configured performance SLA. This section provides information on the health of the links that are connected to the SD-WAN interfaces by measuring jitter, latency, and packet loss to detect link failures. This information can be used to remove or reroute traffic when an SD-WAN member cannot detect the server. Also, they can be used in SD-WAN rules to select the preferred member interface for forwarding traffic. Under SD-WAN utilization, there are detailed information about traffic distribution over SD-WAN rules and members that can be used to control path selection, since specific traffic can be dynamically sent to the best link or use a specific route. Also, there are different chart types including a Sankey chart to visualize details for SD-WAN applications and monitoring SD-WAN traffic routing to see which applications are going through which destination interface. Finally, by reviewing the information under SD-WAN user section, you can easily identify the source of any specific traffic for any investigation purposes.